What's up? It's Ziggy Z123 here. I'm out here doing a video and I'm in my backyard, so like it's pretty cool. You should look at it. Oh yeah, and this is just like my house right back here. I don't know if you can see it or not because I'm like a horrible camera holder. Oh yeah, and guess what? There's a dead bird, like literally on my lawn for look. See that? It's disgusting. There's flies flying all over and everything. It's disgusting. Stank. Stank too. Well, I'm just out here playing a little soccer. Let me see if I can do a rainbow real quick. We just try it. I did it, but it hit my back and it didn't go over my head. So now I just did. Let me try to do it like. Well, as you can see, that was also a fail. But I'm still like the best soccer player ever. So, like, yeah. I'm out of breath. I was like practicing soccer all day. I have a soccer game tomorrow. Yeah. So I just tried to do it again. Major fail. So, hope you guys enjoy this video of nothing. But I have 1 subscriber now. My first subscriber. I'm happy. By the end of next week, I would like to get 10 subscribers. Please try to make that possible for me. So, yeah. Oh, and tell your friends about my channel also. So please subscribe, comment, and like on this video. You already know, Ziggy Z out.